Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to my channel, and this is your host Muhammad Tayyib Iqbal Bones. And here comes the second installment of our series of videos, which I have just started recently. In this series, I will teach you guys how you can design a complete building through AutoCAD technically as per the Gulf standards. So again, before we continue, I just want to tell you about our institute from where I am working right now. This is our institute, Trust CAD Design Institute, and whatever I am showing you guys here is just our basic course. So if you want to know more about our courses, you can contact us, and let's go to the topic. This is our schedule syllabus, which we are going to discover in our entire series of videos. So at the number 1, yesterday we studied, in our previous video we studied about how to keep files and folders, and then introduction to AutoCAD. But right now we will discuss about the basic project theme. Here I want to tell you guys that if you can see, this is my section of days, and my days are coming up to here, means in our institute for the day 1 we are teaching up to here. Okay, and then these are our exercises, but making a video, creating a video is a difficult task and it take more time. So that's why on daily basis we will upload only one video. So let's go to the our topic, basic project theme. So here you can see this is a basic project themes. What happens, there is a, we have owner, client, or a landlord who owns a property anywhere, and he want to start a building there, or it could be a house, or it could be a shopping mall, it could be anything, or maybe any project run by the government. It could be an airport, metro station, it could be anything. So any person who want to initiate a project on his land is called owner, client, or landlord for us. So in UAE we use 3 of these terms for our client. Now if our client, he want to start a building, basically he is a normal man most of the cases. Maybe he is very good with his own business, but he doesn't know about construction anything, what are the standards and how things are processed. So he approaches an engineering consultancy. So engineering consultants, what they do, they are a firm which have a team of architect, structural engineer, there are persons for the tender department as well, coordinators, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers. They have a meeting with the client, and client tell them about his requirement, and after the meeting, architect, he is making a rough drawing for him, a sketch, and when clients approve that sketch, they start their work on it. For example, the client, he said that I have a piece of land and I want to make a room of you can say, I need to give you an example. Let's say he want to make a residential building, and he want to start ground floor, and he want 10 bedrooms at ground floor, whatever his area. We are just talking about an example, and architect will tell him, sir, you can't have 10 bedrooms at ground floor, it's against the standards. There must be a kitchen, there must be some bathrooms, there must be a guest room, there must be a dining room, there must be a parking space for the garage, we need space for ventilation as well, we need space for staircases as well to go to the upper floors. So these standards, architect is informing him, and he is making a sketch which can meet maximum requirements of the client. Once architect is done with his sketch, he forward his drawings to the structural engineer, and structural engineer, they are actually deal with the structure of the building, to the strength of the and resistance of the building. So what they are doing, first of all, they are going to the land, they make a land survey, and they take the soil reports, and after that they begin to calculate that in building how many people will live and how much will be total load per floor, and according to that they calculate their beam sizes, their column sizes, like this. And once architect and structural engineer, once they finish their design, they forward their design to MEP department, MEP division. In MEP, first we will discuss about mechanical division. In mechanical, we have plumbing services, we have HVAC services, we have firefighting services, and we have irrigation services. First we will come to the plumbing. In plumbing, what happens? Plumbing consists of water supply and drainage. For water supply, what happens that in our homes we know that in every washroom there is water. Whenever we just turn on any tap, we get water. If we have any laundry, there is water. So if we go to kitchen, the kitchen sink, there is water is coming. Why this water is coming and from where it is coming? Water supply system deals with these things. They have their own system of calculations. As per that, and there are some standards from the authorities. As per that, they went through the design and they design our water supply system. And then comes the drainage system. This drainage is basically wastewater. It could be rainwater, it could be water used in washrooms, soil water, or it could be wastewater, anything. There is a system which drain out this water outside the building to the municipality sewerage lines. Drainage system is also called sewerage system as well. So after that, HVAC engineer. HVAC basically stands for heating, ventilation, air conditioning. In this system, it deals with the air conditioning system in entire building. It could be mini split ACs, which is very common in Pakistan. It could be central AC. It could be ducted split AC. It could be any kind of design as per the requirement and budget of the client. And after that, we have firefighting system, which also come under the scope of mechanical engineering. And then we have irrigation system. In irrigation system, basically we give water to the landscape areas. And after that, it comes the electrical system. The design goes to the electrical engineer, and what he does, he start his own services. Now we will have a quick look. In electrical, we have basically low voltage and extra low voltage. Extra low voltage is also called low current system. We will discuss about it detail in our upcoming videos. First, we will talk about low voltage. Low voltage basically consists of lighting and power system. If we want to see anything in our room where is no light, means we cannot see anything. There must be light. So lighting is a separate system, power is another system. For power, there are many type of home appliances, like there could be television, there could be refrigerator, there could be washing machine, which needs powers. So through our power system, we have our power sockets which could be connected to these devices and appliances. And after that, there are AC machines, there are water supply water pumps, there are firefighting water pumps which need power as well. There is lifts sometimes in the building which required a lot of power, a lot of electricity. There are escalators, elevators, travelators, many things which need power. So through power system, we give power to these all equipments. So all of these engineers, what they are doing, they are preparing their designs. Meanwhile, our coordinator or our PRO, he checks with the client regarding the documents. This is all necessary documents and NOCs has been taken or no. If not, they are guiding him how he can get these things. And after that, we have a tender department which is basically doing the estimations for entire project. Meanwhile, when every department finishes design, they send them to authority for approval, and once they get approval from the authority, then they are making detail for this design. And once the detailed design is done, they again send it for authority for an approval. And this, you can say that after this approval, they can bid for tender. So what happens for the tender? As per the design, the estimation departments, the tender departments, they check BOQs, bill of quantities for every service, and they make a list. They have a vendor list. They select the materials, the quantity of materials, whatever, and after that they make a rough price which is bid for tender. So after that, they check for contractors who can go with this price, and once there is a contractor who said, I am agree with these prices and I am able to fulfill all the requirements, they issued these drawings for construction to that guy. Now basically consultant has nothing with the project, but the project, because owner is someone else, but he needs someone who can supervise the contractor that they are going as per schedule and they are using the same materials as the consultant recommended. So what they do, they hire consultant on the site as well, and on site when contractor is working, he is submitting his work to consultant, and in the first of all he has to prepare workshop drawings, because the drawing designed by the consultant is just for information, for quantity, for materials, and just for an idea. Accurate design is done in the stage of workshop drawings, which we call workshop files, shop drawings as well. Once this workshop drawings are ready, contractor submit them to the consultant. Consultant checks them, and if he sees it's okay, he is approving, otherwise he is rejecting them. And every time contractor has to revise his work. And finally, when consultant approve all the drawings, then it's the responsibility of consultant to take these drawings to the authorities again, that this is our final design, please approve it. And authority will again check that is it done by the regulations of authorities, then okay, otherwise they will reject it. And once this it get approved from the authority, everything is fine. And when the project goes to finishing stage, they start building as built drawings. Now here is the purpose, what is the why they need as built design or as built drawings, is that when a building has been raised up, while rising or while making the building, there are some things which cannot go as per the design because of some site situations. Sometimes because of coordinations of designs, they are changing things on site, they are not following the same thing as per design. So for this we need the accurate information how things were done, and in future if there is any expansion or building got damaged through any disaster, in this case they can rebuild it in a more professional way easily. And once as built is also done, project is finished, then they hand over this all project to the client. And that's all. I hope this will be informative for you. If yes, please let me know, and keep subscribe and sharing my channel so I can upload more videos as well. So okay, goodbye.